Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Driven by Gears. I don't remember if y'all remember, by a couple of videos way back on the lifted Z71. It was raining one day and I had the four-wheel drive on and I hit this huge massive pothole and I heard something snap, and it snapped my CV axle, and then this is what it did to the front gearbox differential here. It pretty much snapped. Cause see, CV joint hooks there and CV joint hooks there. It snapped this completely off. So I haven't had four-wheel drive, and then of course this stuff has been, doing this crap going down the road. So I ordered a used one on eBay, and that's what we're putting in now. So I think one of the issues is too, if you do this rough country 6-inch lift, see these bump stops? They really slam hard when you hit potholes. So I think you're supposed to cut those off so it gives it more room to not slam, and then it really puts a bind on them CV joints. So that's what I'm doing today, so I can get this Z71 going again. So if you want to see this journey, keep watching. We'll go through it now. So you can see here on the one that I got, it didn't come with the shafts that hook to the CV joint, so I'm having to take them out from here, swap them into this one. That's why I'm having to split the case here. So it was basically supposed to be just come with everything in it. I could have swore that's what it looked like, and then I could have just swapped it right in, but we always like to do everything the hard way, it seems like. Yeah, so let's press on with getting this crap done. Boys and girls, we got her all together here, as you can see. So this is the bracket that you put on extra. Let me show y'all over here. That's that area where you cut because you increased it. Now this is the area up in here where you have to grind some of that off, because if you don't, it hits on the frame piece right there. Frame support. It comes down. So that's basically it. We got her in and we tested her out. She works good. Shifts and everything. We definitely got to do ball joints and stuff in this truck pretty soon. So that pretty much does it for this episode. As you can see, it was a lot of fun. It's all over my face. So, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple. Keep it sweet.